So we've got a virtual fair that's happening Thursday afternoon for any of those who just want to be or consider being a teacher. We want to encourage those who may have a degree and don't know what they can do with that degree at this time, and we're going to lead them through that process. We're also going to point them to some vacancies we have in our schools, elementary and secondary. When they come into the city school system, we have a great amount of resources for our teachers and for our staff. They'll have a laptop. We have EAP, which is a personal wellness program for our teachers. We also have our mentoring program that we do an outstanding job on our school and our system mentoring as well. Great benefits package, and often other school systems don't offer this, but we have free dental for any single person employee. So we've got a myriad of resources that we can do, and as well as we have math coaches and literacy coaches that will help them through the process during their years of teaching here at Tuscaloosa City Schools.